everybody, today on Henry's How To's I'm going to show you how to make Chinese sticky chicken wings. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on 1 kilo of chicken wings. So I've just got a mix here of wingettes and drumettes. You can use whichever you like, that's up to you. So the first thing we're going to do is marinate this because we need to leave this overnight for best results. So we'll start by adding 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice. So guys, Chinese 5-spice is basically a mixture of cinnamon, star anise, fennel and cloves. And of course black pepper in there as well. Next we'll add about 2 tablespoons of honey. If you prefer you can use brown sugar instead, but I prefer the stickiness that the honey gives. Next we'll add about 2 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, about 2 crushed garlic cloves, about 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and finally 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. If you prefer you can use fresh. Alright, let's mix this all together and get everything coated in that sticky goodness. That absolutely smells amazing. So we'll cover that with some cling wrap. We want to place this into the fridge. Now guys, leave it in there for a minimum 4 hours. You can leave this overnight if you like the best results. Alright guys, so at this point we're going to preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now I've just got a baking tray here. And I'm just going to add 2 pieces of baking paper onto this. Very simple. All we're going to do is add our chicken wings straight on. And obviously just leave a bit of a gap between each one. Just like so. Now don't go throwing this out because we're going to need that. So guys, we're going to put this straight into the oven now. We're looking for a total baking time of around say 45 to 55 minutes. But at the halfway point, we're going to take this out and flip them over and brush on our marinade. So I'll see you again in 25 minutes. Alright guys, so I've just taken it out at the 25-minute mark. So what we're going to do is brush our marinade. So what we're going to do is brush each of these on this side. Then we're going to flip them over and brush the other side and then put them back into the oven. And by doing this, we're going to make them nice and sticky. Okay, so let's go ahead and flip them all over. Okay, so we'll brush this side as well with our marinade. And make sure to give them all a very good coating. Alright, so back into the oven for about another 25 minutes. Alright guys, so I've just brought it at the 50-minute mark. Just look at how beautiful and nice and sticky they are. So guys, what we're going to do now is transfer these into a large bowl. So guys, I'm just going to add in about 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of dried coriander, and I'm just going to add in 1 sliced green chilli. All we're going to do is just toss that around in there. Just like so. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and serve. Okay, and there we have it. What a stunning looking dish is that. Okay guys, and that was my take on Chinese sticky chicken wings. And as you can see, that's an elegant looking dish. You don't need anything else on the side, but of course you can add some steamed rice if you wish. I've got my tea towel here as well, because this is going to be sticky. Oh, that is amazing. It's got that spicy kick to it, but the sweetness balances that out perfectly. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. I'll see you all next time.